Tired of high blood pressure? These 7 foods can help lower it, instantly. What you eat today could save your heart tomorrow. Skip the pills. Start with your plate. Your next grocery trip could change your blood pressure forever. Let's uncover the natural power of food to fight hypertension, starting now. Beets are loaded with nitrates that naturally open up your blood vessels. Drinking beet juice can lower your blood pressure in just hours. Athletes love beets, and your heart does too. A cup of roasted beets a day keeps the pressure away. Beets boost nitric oxide, your blood vessel's best friend. Add beets to your smoothies for a blood pressure-friendly boost. Raw or cooked, beets work like natural vasodilators. Beets are nature's version of blood pressure meds. Just 1 glass of beetroot juice can bring down systolic pressure. Your arteries love the power of purple. Go Beets! Spinach is rich in potassium and magnesium, 2 pressure-lowering minerals. A spinach salad a day supports healthy blood pressure naturally. Spinach helps balance sodium in the body. This leafy green reduces artery stiffness over time. Add spinach to your omelets, wraps, or smoothies. Spinach improves circulation and relaxes blood vessels. It's low in calories but high in heart protective nutrients. Potassium-rich foods like spinach counteract salt's effect on BP. Spinach is a must-have in your hypertension healing diet. Steam it, juice it, eat it raw. Spinach always helps. Garlic isn't just for flavor. It thins blood and drops pressure fast. Allicin in garlic is a powerful compound for blood pressure control. 1 clove a day can keep your doctor away. Raw garlic has immediate effects on blood vessel dilation. Add garlic to soups, salads, and everything in between. Garlic lowers both systolic and diastolic pressure. It helps reduce plaque buildup in arteries. Even garlic supplements can significantly lower BP. The smell may be strong, but so are the heart benefits. Garlic is nature's most underrated cardiovascular medicine. Blueberries and strawberries are loaded with anthocyanins. Berries protect blood vessels and reduce inflammation. A cup of berries daily. Lower blood pressure levels. Berries are sweet, delicious, and therapeutic. Add them to yogurt, smoothies, or eat as snacks. They improve nitric oxide levels naturally. Strawberries may be red, but they make your pressure green. Frozen or fresh, berries don't lose their BP-lowering power. Berries also help improve insulin sensitivity. Want a sweet fix that helps your heart? Go berries. Oats are rich in soluble fiber that lowers bad cholesterol and BP. A warm bowl of oatmeal in the morning. And a happy heart. Oats help regulate blood sugar and pressure. Beta-glucans in oats improve arterial health. Combine oats with berries for a double dose of BP-lowering magic.
Even instant oats offer cardiovascular benefits. Oat fiber reduces inflammation in blood vessels. Start your day smart. Start with oats. Oats help you stay full, reducing overeating and weight gain. A daily dose of oats is a gentle, powerful way to lower blood pressure. Bananas are one of the best sources of heart-healthy potassium. Potassium helps flush out excess sodium from your body. 1 banana a day can help stabilize blood pressure. It's nature's prepackaged blood pressure snack. Add bananas to oats, smoothies, or eat alone. Add alones are fast fuel for your heart and muscles. They're sweet, satisfying, and smart for your arteries. Bananas help reduce stiffness in blood vessels. This fruit is a staple in any heart-healthy diet. Bananas do more than energize. They protect your heart too. Dark chocolate contains flavonoids that relax blood vessels. A small square a day can lower blood pressure. The higher the cocoa content, the better the benefits. Choose 70% cocoa or more for real heart effects. Dark chocolate reduces stress and boosts nitric oxide. It's dessert with a purpose your heart approves. Don't overdo it, just a small piece is enough. Dark chocolate improves circulation and reduces cortisol. It's proof that healthy doesn't mean boring. Treat yourself and treat your heart too. Combine garlic and spinach in a stir-fry for double the effect. Oats and berries are the ultimate breakfast duo for blood pressure. Beets and bananas together support blood flow and reduce inflammation. Add chia seeds to your oats for extra fiber and heart health. Cook with garlic and olive oil to enhance absorption. Drink beet juice before workouts for added BP control. Start your morning with oats, berries, and bananas. It's powerful. Add cinnamon to oats or smoothies for added heart support. These foods don't just lower pressure, they energize and protect. They help prevent strokes, heart attacks, and kidney damage. You don't need a pharmacy, you need a produce aisle. These foods help your blood vessels relax and your heart breathe easier. Food truly is the first and best medicine. Place salty snacks with banana or berries, your heart will thank you. Combine spinach, garlic, and oats into a power-packed soup. These 7 foods are a long-term investment in your health. They're affordable, available, and proven to work. The sooner you start, the faster your blood pressure drops. Your heart deserves more than pills, it deserves protection. One meal at a time, you can reclaim your health. You've just learned 7 foods that can naturally lower your blood pressure. The next step? Start adding them to your daily routine right now. Don't wait until the next doctor's visit. Act today. Your heart is counting on you. Watch till the end because your health depends on it.